sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel for another day of Vlogmas. I get a lot of requests on what we eat and like to kind of show you guys how I make things. That is exactly what I'm going to do today. Juan is on his way home, so he's going to help me film this because I can't really film myself like cutting things. Like, I don't know, I probably could, but I might hurt myself, so I don't want to do that. Before I get into what we are going to be cooking, a couple things. You can hear my dishwasher in the background because I needed to start a load because I forgot to start it last night. So that's thing number one. Number two is I am making beans in the crock pot because it just takes up less space when I need to be making other things on the stove. So these have been in here for like 3 hours. They're almost done. So I have those going. I don't know if we're gonna eat them like that tonight or make them into refried beans, but we are going to be having that for dinner tonight. And then I am also making some Spanish rice. And a third thing, Juan is gonna be super happy with me, but I ruined my blender. I don't know what I did to it, but in fairness, this blender right here was very old. It's like 6 or 7 years old. It just has seen better days. And the motor went out and it's missing pieces, so I am throwing this bad boy away right now. And I just went to the store and I picked up a new one. It's probably not the cheapest one that they had at Walmart, but it was only like $20 because I don't need a super expensive blender because I really don't use it that much. Probably like once a month if that. So I need to take this bad boy out of the box because I'm going to be needing it to make dinner. So I'm going to take this out of the box and then I'm going to show you guys what we're making. How's your finger?
I smashed my finger.
Oh, I thought you meant the same one.
No.
Oh.
I was throwing the trash away and Morgan went and got all the trash out of the back of my truck, which is very nice of him. And he had it on the pallet and he put it on top and I went like this to pick it up. And I wasn't paying attention. I came back down and just smashed my whole hand.
I don't think we talked about you getting stitches.
And then I just got stitches on this finger and we just took them out.
Let me see. It's looking like a lot better now.
You can still see the gash, look.
Oh, it's not focusing. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. I got a new blender.
I know, I saw that. You got a new blender. Why?
It's because that one's motor broke.
Really? Yeah. Are you trying to say something? I need to go on a diet? More.
So I got that one.
More smoothies?
No, it's not for smoothies, but it is for dinner.
Guys, so here we have my lovely wife. And what are you gonna cook for dinner, babe? Carne con chile y papas. Is that what you're making? Okay, so here we have half a yellow onion. And then we have half of a white onion. And then here we got some potatoes, some cilantro, some tomatoes, some garlic, some jalapenos.
They're called Serrano
I was about to say that. Yeah, I think these are Serranos. Good job, babe. And then here we have some oregano. Caldo con sabor de pollo. And then here we got some garlic salt. And we got some Lori's seasoned salt. We're gonna need some more of this, huh? We're running pretty low. And then we got some black pepper, some canola oil, tomato sauce, and then some milanesa, which is just thinly sliced steak. I believe it's sirloin.
Is it? It's beef top round.
It's beef top round, sliced very thinly.
Are you talking? Are you talking? You want one more? You want one more snack? I give you one more. little bit of cumin, a little bit of garlic salt, seasoned salt, and some oregano.
Hey babe, a lot of people like want to know like what did this cost you? Like all this to make this meal?
I think it was probably like $25 maybe.
Okay.
No, probably not even that. The meat itself was like 11.
That's probably the most expensive, huh?
Yeah, that's the most expensive thing. I mean, the chilies were like 90 cents for all of it. So I would say, including the meat, probably $20.
And it feeds how many?
This will probably feed like, what, 6 adults? Yeah, right?
About.
At least 4 adults. It'll feed all of us and probably some leftovers. So I drained out most of like the fat that was in there, the excess oils, but I did leave a little bit in there because I'm going to add the bell peppers, the onions, and the potatoes into here and let it cook for a minute. Now that everything is in here, I'm going to let it cook for a few minutes. Here's what it looks like after I added the tomato sauce and the salsa. What I'm going to do is add a little bit of water because I want to make sure that there's enough liquid that it starts to boil, and then we're gonna turn it down and let it simmer for about an hour and a half. So I added in some water, a little bit more salt, and a little bit more pepper, and then garlic salt. And we're gonna wait for this to start to boil. Then I'm going to mostly cover it, but leave it like a little bit uncovered and let it cook for about an hour and a half. Alright guys, so here is the final product. All the potatoes and the bell pepper and the onions are all cooked through, and the meat is nice and soft. And who's hungry, guys? Are you hungry? You want to try it? You want to make it into a taco with rice and beans?
I don't know.
Right.
Yeah!
You're hungry too? Alright, let me start the beans and then we'll eat dinner, okay? Alright, so I just poured some of the beans and a little bit of liquid in here. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time and like keep adding it into here, I guess. So I'm just going to take my little masher and start mashing up the beans. Did you love your rice and beans? Hi. Yeah. Now the kitchen is all nice and clean. We just finished dinner and it's barely 5:13, but if you guys can see, it is completely dark outside. Dinner, babe.
It was really good. It was very good.
I didn't tell them what I did to the rice.
Oh, they don't know?
So,
let's just say that the rice kind of tasted like a snickerdoodle.
So when I was making the rice, I thought I grabbed cumin. Is it cumin? Is that how you say it?
Yeah, I think so.
Cumin. But I accidentally grabbed cinnamon, and so there was like a mixture of like, it was like a mixture of Spanish rice and like snickerdoodle. Like it tasted really sweet. But everybody ate it and was a good sport, right? I don't think the kids like.
Reagan, yeah, they couldn't tell. Reagan really liked it.
Yeah, she actually asked for seconds, so.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad. That is totally not how it's supposed to be made. I mean, it wasn't the worst thing in the world, though. I mean, I could think of things that would be worse to eat, but say goodnight, babe.
Good night, guys.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Say see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
For another day of
Vlogmas.
Good night, guys. Good night.
Oh, good night.